Barbay's here with another exciting episode of What's in the Crate? This is June 2021's crate. Wanted to show it to you as early as possible. Usually we get them a little later up here in the mountains in Lake Tahoe, but we got lucky and got it early. But we couldn't post till after the 1st because these things sell out. If you want to get the crate, if you're on the fence about the crate, if you're thinking about the crate, link in the description below, or use code VARBAYS at checkout for your discount on your first crate. Cancel anytime. We love them. So do all our viewers and fans. I don't know if they're fans, but people that follow our page. So you always get one of these, June 2021. See how it is. There's a member-only shop. Anything in this crate are prior crates that if you're a member of KetoKrate, you can go to the website and go into the back office, the members only keto shop, and you can buy anything individually if you really like them. Crate Club, a little bit about what's in here. Usually a recipe. This one is keto margarita with lemon ice chip candy. So it's usually something in the crate. You can do a recipe. And then some success stories of people that lost weight, eating low carb, low sugar lifestyle. That's what we call it. We don't really call it keto. I know it's called KetoKrate, but people that are strict keto will say, no, it's not. Can't have that. Can't have this. Can't have that. We just do low carb, low sugar, and it works for us. Lost a bunch of weight. So the first thing is good fats, chewy nut. 1 gram. Looks like my camera's not focusing. Well, call it a camera, but it's really a phone. Good fats. Right there. 1 gram net carbs. Salted caramel flavor. So, there it is. Salted caramel. That's the first one. Here's the ice chips that we're using in that recipe. That's in the little card that comes with it every month. Let's look at these. 2 pieces, 25 servings. Total carbs, 2 grams per serving. So you don't want to eat this whole thing. This is more of just like if you've got a little sweet tooth going, craving a little sweet, eat a couple pieces. Get after it. These are really good peanuts, and they always come in different flavor. I think we had a dill one time, and these ones are sea salt and cracked pepper. They're peanuts, so can't have too much stuff, right? Let's see. 6 grams, 5 grams, 2 grams, so 3 grams. How many servings? Oh, 1.45. So if you ate the whole thing, you'd only have 10 grams, but I wouldn't eat the whole thing. Beef jerky. Always a good thing to have on hand when you're doing low carb, low sugar. Look at that carbohydrates. Bam! 0. 0 sugar, 0 fiber. It's just all pure meat. Get after it. Look, people's choice, beef. Never had it. Going to try it. Let you know. I'm starting to do more reviews. I did a review. Go to varbays.com. I did one yesterday of keto beef sticks. Well, they're not really. I guess they're keto, yeah. Beef sticks we got at Costco because I've been lagging on the reviews. Got to work that full-time job as I'm doing this. So I'm going to start doing some more reviews of these. So go to varbays.com, go to the review tab at the top, and you can see different reviews on stuff of what we really thought. Kiss My Keto Cookies, had these before. They're one of our sponsors. Disclosure. 12 grams, but 5 of it's dietary fiber, less than 1 gram of sugar, but it has some protein and stuff. So they usually say on the front. So it's not super low carb, low sugar. That's still like 7 grams per serving, and there's 2. So it wouldn't be terrible if you ate the whole thing. You probably couldn't eat anything else if you're trying to stay strict keto and stay under your carbs. Never had these. We're promoting them. 3 grams net carbs. And this is like a spicy salsa flavor. They're almond flour chips, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I will do a review on that because they're a new company. I want to see what it's all about. And I'm sure you do too. We do like the Quest chips. They're different. It's not going to be a Dorito, but they feel like you're eating a chip, like if you're having a sandwich or something. So those are kind of cool. Oh, a beef stick. Is that the same company? No, Pork for the Planet. This is, pineapple. Well, I'll be eating this one. My wife's not a big pineapple fan, but I am. I can't see anything on it. I'm blind anyways, but the ingredients. But KetoKrate does a really good job of keeping everything low carb, low sugar. So you're probably safe with anything in this box. Then, unless you're doing strict keto, you probably would want to read everything. Super coffee. I got 2 of these in the refrigerator right now. I have not had them. I'm not huge. See, 200 milligrams of caffeine. I'm not big on caffeine. So I haven't tried them, but I'm going to open them, take a little sip, and I'll do a review on these. Go to varbays.com, check out the reviews and the recommendation page. And we also have guides on varbays.com. Guides to keep you on track, that like, what snacks can I have? What should I eat on keto? What fruit should I eat? Just go to the top of varbays.com, go to guides, and you can see that. That'll help you out too if you're just getting started. Cheddar cheese, fat. I think we've had these. They're good. They're kind of like a more dense Cheeto, you know, the Cheeto Crunch thing. So they got crunch to them. They taste pretty good, but again, it's not going to be a Cheeto or anything. 1 gram. And fiber 1, so it's 0, right? Now, I'm going to do a review on almost everything in this box. We're not doing a giveaway this month. Maybe at the end of June we will. So follow us here, Facebook, Instagram, you know, all the same places, YouTube, all that. I think we're even on TikTok, but we don't do much on TikTok. But yeah, follow us, because we might do a giveaway at the end of this month. If not, we'll do a 4th of July maybe, because that's always, we like the patriotic holiday giveaways. They seem to get the most traction with everybody, and everybody's interested. So these are good. I'll let you know what those are. Keto Bites, birthday cake. 1 gram net carbs, soft and chewy. Gluten-free, made with monk fruit. Get after that. I'm going to try these. Hopefully, I like a lot of the keto cookies. My wife's disclosure keto cookies are the best. And there's a recipe on Varbays, by the way. Go to varbays.com, slide down to the recipe section. There's a free recipe. No pop-ups, no annoying, you know, ad things, make you put your email. We don't do any of that. We just like to help people, and we do it on our dime, so you can benefit from it. And that's it. That's an empty box, a keto box. Now, I have seen other boxes coming out lately. I forget the names of them. I know there's the Bunny box, has a keto one, a couple others, but they don't stand even close. They're more expensive monthly, and you don't get as much. Trust me, we've looked into all of them. This one gives you the most bang for your buck every single month. And you'll get a 25% discount if you use code VARBAYS at checkout, or you hit the link in this description, or go to our website and click on the little KetoKrate symbol in our sponsors. You'll get 25% off your first one. If you don't like it, ditch it. But we love it. We get it every single month, and we always have snacks to go to, and we don't feel like we're cheating or losing off our lifestyle of low carb, low sugar. So check it out. Link in the description. Follow us on all social media platforms and visit our website, varbays.com. Enter your email if you want. You don't have to. It's not a pop-up or anything. It doesn't make you do it. But if you enter your email, then you're automatically going to be in one of our drawings or giveaways. So, and we don't spam. We don't send you a whole bunch of, hey, buy this product and all that. We recommend recipes. We send recipes to our email subscribers. Those are automatic, and everyone loves them. They look at them. Nobody's complained or jumped off. So you'll learn that we're not high pressure or anything, but go check it out. Check out our recipes and all that. And hit the link in the description to buy June's KetoKrate, and do it quick, because these things sell out fast. That's it for June. Y'all be cool to one another.